Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Many players hope for direct wireless Zen to Xbox, but in 2025, native support still isn't available. You can't just pair your Cronus Zen directly to your console like a controller. However, there is one reliable method to achieve a complete wireless experience, leveraging your Zen with your Xbox without any physical tether to the console itself. It's an effective workaround for truly wireless freedom. To make this happen, you'll need two main things: a Windows PC and the official Xbox wireless adapter for Windows. The PC will host your Cronus Zen and run the Xbox app, while the adapter allows your wireless Xbox controller to communicate reliably. This setup creates the necessary bridge, ensuring all your Zen modifications translate perfectly to your gameplay. First, let's get your Cronus Zen ready. Connect it to your PC using the small USB port on the back, marked PC/prog. Next, open Zen Studio, which you should download and install if you haven't already. It is vital to update your Zen's firmware to the very latest version for optimal compatibility. Then, load up all your favorite game packs or custom scripts. Now, for the critical step, launch the Xbox app on your PC and enable remote play. Make sure your Xbox console settings permit remote features, and consider using the Instant-On Power mode for seamless access. Connect your preferred Xbox wireless controller to your PC using the official Xbox wireless adapter. This controller will now be recognized by your PC, allowing the Zen to process its inputs. With everything in place, initiate your Xbox remote play session from your PC. Your console's screen will appear. Your Cronus Zen, still connected to the PC, will now intercept your wireless controller's inputs, apply your chosen modifications, and send them seamlessly back through the remote play session to your Xbox. This is the only way to achieve true wireless freedom with Cronus Zen on Xbox in 2025.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.